found this cool, natural-looking tomahawk at a yard sale. According to the gentleman at the yard sale, his father used to make these. It has a natural wood handle and a flint-like blade. I'm not sure what type of stone this is. It also looks like he used some hemp or something to hold the head on, although I think he probably used some glue as well. There's a small hole to string a loop through. It's a nice size. It will look good as a 1/6 scale tomahawk. He also had some spears or arrows. They looked a little small for a spear, and no feathers. Hey guys, in September I'll be reaching a milestone of 300 videos on my channel. I would like to do a question and answer video and a celebration of my 300 videos. Feel free to submit as many questions as you would like about me, my family, G.I. Joes, anything else you'd like to know about me, and I'll answer them in my 300th video. You can submit your questions here on YouTube or on my Instagram. Thanks, I can't wait to see what you guys ask me. See you later. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps my channel out. Until next time, collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.